After a long consolidation of 2 years, Nifty has broken a 18,000 mark and created a new lifetime high, which is 19,500 mark. Whenever market reaches new lifetime high, investors divide it into two parts. The first set of investors, they say that it's a just beginning of new bull run and they will start investing more. The second set of investors, they say that the market is already rallied a lot and we can expect some correction in the market. They want to wait for some correction, then they want to invest into the equity market. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about whether it is a just beginning of new bull run or is there any correction in the market. So along with that, I would like to discuss my view towards the market. Friends, you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. If you look at the history of equity market, it can be bull market or bear market. The most of the time major trigger will be interest rate cycle. What do you mean by interest rate? Interest rate is nothing but a lending rate. When interest rate increases, there is a correction in the market. When interest rate reduces, the stock market will increase. The interest rate and stock market both are having correlation. When interest rate increased, the loans will become very expensive. When loans become very expensive, people stop taking loans for some time. When people stop taking loans for some time, the outside economic activities will reduce. The purchase of goods and service will be reduced. Along with that, the availability of cash will be very less. When cash is very less, the new inflow will stop coming into the equity market. Automatically stock market will correct. In vice versa, when interest rate reduce, loans will become very attractive. People start taking more and more loan for to expand the business, to construct a house. Automatically economic activities will increase. The purchase of goods and service will increase. The availability of cash will be more. These cash has to be invested into the equity market. Automatically stock market will increase. This is how interest rate cycle will impact the equity market. This is what exactly happened during the COVID bull run. Because of COVID, the entire world was in lockdown. Economy was in a bad shape. Business were shut down. In spite of that, Nifty has zoomed from 7,500 to till 18,000 mark. The major reason is they have reduced the interest rate. To support the Indian economy, Indian Reserve Bank, they have reduced the interest rate from 5% to 4%. In USA, they have reduced the interest rate from 2% to nearly zero. In that time, foreign portfolio investors, they have invested heavily into the equity market. If you look at the COVID bull run, FIS are the major net buyers. You can see here in May 2020, they have bought 13,914 crores. In June 2020, they have bought 5,492 crores. In July 2020, they have bought 2,490 crores. In August 2020, they have bought 15,749 crores. In October 2020, they have bought 14,537 crores. In November 2020, they have bought 65,000 crores. In December 2020, they have bought 48,000 crores. In January 2021, they have bought 8,900 crores. In February 2021, they have bought 42,000 crores. This is the major trigger for COVID bull run. When you reduce the interest rate for a long time, it has got its own disadvantage. The availability of cash will be more, which will cause the hyperinflation in the market. In India, inflation increased from 4% to 8%. In USA, inflation increased from 2% to 8%. In that time, American Reserve Bank and Indian Reserve Bank, to reduce the hyperinflation, they have increased the interest rate in multiple times. So in that time, foreign portfolio investors, they have sold from Indian equity market. That's the reason Nifty has corrected from 18,000 to till 15,500. If you look at the selling pattern of FIS, in December 2021, they have sold worth of 35,000 crores. In January 2022, 41,000 crores. In February 2022, 45,000 crores. In March 2022, 43 crores. In April 2022, they sold worth of 40,000 crores. That's the reason Nifty has corrected from 18,000 to 15,500. When foreign portfolio investors, they started to sell, the Nifty was in a correction mode. In that time, retail investors, they have participated a lot. They have supported a lot. That's the reason Nifty did not correct too much. Even Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, she has discussed with regards to this.
FIIs and FPIs may come and go, but today Indian retail investors have proven that even if they come and go, any shock that may come is now taken care of because of the shock absorbing capacity the Indian retailer has brought into Indian market. I think we as a house should stand up and appreciate the Indian retailer who's invested a lot of confidence in the stock market today in India.
After a multiple interest rate of hike, now inflation in US and inflation in India, it's getting control. So that's the reason once again FIS they started to buying into the equity market. From last 2 months they have bought worth of 11,000 crores. That's the reason Nifty is in a bull run. In the future, if interest rate reduced in US market, foreign portfolio investors they are going to be a net buyers in Indian equity market. Once they started to buy, so we can expect some more upside momentum in the Indian equity market. Along with that, we can always expect some 15 to 20% of correction in the market. The major reason is, as we know that the Russia and Ukraine war is not at war. The geopolitical tension still is there. If that is happened, we can expect some correction in the market. If you look at the valuation of Indian equity market, it is neither expensive nor discounted. If you are long-term investors, you no need to worry about the market ups and downs. You can remain invested for a long term. If you look at the Indian equity market, India has a huge growth potential. India is going to be a third largest economy after US and China. Still, we can expect a lot more growth in Indian economy. When the Indian economy grows, automatically it will impact in the stock market. Still, market will reach a new lifetime high. Friends, in this video, we discussed about what is interest rate, how it will impact the stock market. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share with the community. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you so much.